Boys, look at this. The whole car has been keyed. The whole car has been keyed.
What was that about? Go on.
What?
What was that about?
Give me brown sauce. Don't like brown sauce.
Oh, right, okay, that's a valid
That was the...
That's a very valid
yeah,
point.
I hate brown sauce. I was like...
I don't know. This is the whip of choice for today. It's a fucking...
Talking through it. Wait, let me...
Good afternoon, guys.
Right, talking through it.
So, it is black in colour. It's actually
This is how we're going to do the reviews at the car show.
BMW. Right here.
That's where the... Yep.
Just got wheels in it, all four. If you have a look inside.
It's got a lip, just like the Quattro Sport.
Yep.
Yep.
It's got things inside. Oh
Is
my
that-
god.
Do you hear that?
Should we go have a look?
I feel like we're car spotting.
Wow.
Damn.
I feel like one of those, you know, the
Is that
train
GT4?
spotters. Woo! Damn! Love that.
What is going on, boys and girls? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today is a very exciting day. We're not surrounded by TTs. Oh, look at that. That looks cool, doesn't it?
What?
Just the sun there. As you can tell, it is a very nice day today, and we are actually going to Ultimate Stance, if you probably could tell by the title. I am joined by Matty and also Luke. So these faces you probably recognise because they've been in plenty of videos. We are currently 13 minutes away from actually getting there. Actually, I forgot to tell you boys about
That's what you look at.
Whitey. Whitey's also come with us as well. I'll introduce him later.
First show of the year. It's
Yeah.
only November.
It's also the last show of the year.
Yeah, also last show of the year.
Oh, look at that. You see the red there?
Alright, we've got something coming up. I can see DRLs, which means it's modified.
Normally with these sort of shows, I have a philosophy. I sort of say that best cars are sort of outside. Would you agree?
Yeah, 100%.
Whereas the ones that are inside sort of have like an unlimited budget. And when I'm talking about budget, I'm talking about money. And what?
And towed here.
Yeah, towed here, not driven, not daily driven. And I don't appreciate that.
Oh,
you boys know,
no.
I like to do all the mods myself.
We need to because I know some people that are inside that daily it. And
Well, you can point them out.
okay, great.
Point them out.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh,
Lord,
God damn.
God damn.
God damn.
We don't even need to go in anymore.
Maybe we just got finished in a car park.
Oh.
Here I've got my dad just putting on
I'm his dad. I am your
putting
dad.
on my armband. Do these help me float in the water?
I'm going to make sure I get it on... Oh, sorry.
Ah,
Sorry.
I can taste it. Ah. Oh, yeah, that was good. Right, who's next?
Right, as normal with these, we can't show every single build, can we, mate?
No.
Because there'll be too many. So I'm going to pick the best ones and probably people that I know, so I know this guy. So yeah, it's a vibe. Obviously I have to record the TT. Oh, a big wang on that. God damn. I think this is normally here anyway. We've seen this quite a few times. Look at the meat. That's when you've got too much money. Just you're buying another alloy just to put it in your boot, bro. Oh, I love these rotoforms. So these are people used to do these a while ago, but I really rate these now. Do you like these rotoforms?
No, pay them.
Do you actually?
Yep.
Oh, I was just saying I really like them. Look at this. This is so nice. RX-7 FC. Obviously the predecessor to the FD, which everybody sort of has, but this is something that's always overlooked. I actually looked to get one of these cars as well, so I think it's like the Turbo 2, which is the one that you want. I don't know if that's this one, but what do you think? Oh, it's weed. I looked to get one of these once, and I think there's a one called Turbo 2, which is the one that you want to get. Yeah, and that's even if you can fucking buy one. These cars are wicked. Got a little model as well as the car on there. What do you think, Luke?
Nice.
I think I prefer these, you know, to the FDs.
Yeah, I like them. Yeah, I prefer these.
Yeah. Boys, I think everybody can appreciate a good-looking Porsche, and this is definitely one of them.
Require a pole position as well, same seats as mine.
Beautiful colour as well. I know it's just black, but an old school Porsche in black.
Seal of approval.
Yeah. Have you seen the seats in it as well?
Ooh la la.
Quattro Sport. Quattro Sport. Now moving into the. Have you seen? Look at the artwork of that exhaust, bro. It's insane, isn't it? Have you seen the GT86 to start this? Yeah, it's unreal, isn't it? Yeah, shout out to whoever that is that's done the big work on this. Damn. Boys, we'll just turn round.
Isn't this supposed to be inside?
No.
Is that allowed to be outside?
No,
Well, that was illegal.
The IETs, matey, for this.
Oh,
Bro, it looks like a laboratory in there, bro. There is actually best as well.
that's mental, eh? Look. Look at this crop.
Oh shit! Damn.
They are sick.
I love how hyped you get.
Do you know how expensive they are? They're like 100 quid on StockX. Mum's are, they're genuinely. You can't get
Actually?
them. Yeah, people buy them out, innit, on drop. They're doing mate to Crocs too, to tow them. The hook on the back of them.
But what the price?
Go to the price. Wait.
Oh my god. Look at the price. Focus. £200, bro. What do you mean?
Can you retract the hook on the back?
Alright, boys. This deserves a special mention. You've got the Driftworks LP640. Best part about this as well. There it is. The manual. This car has the GT3 kit on. That's what all these louvers are. Pretty sure it's the GT3 wing as well. GT3 side skirt. Absolute insane. Yeah, Murcielago LP640, the even rarer one, and it's manual.
El Manuel.
And as well, just notice, got the ITBs as well. What a beautiful car. And the S15. Always appreciate an S15, especially in yellow. You don't see many in yellow. My favourite colour in these are the blue. You get like a blue one. So here the Auto Finesse. Got some beautiful cars here. Evo 10, Varis, wide body kit as well. Dread to think of how much this is going to be worth. I say this, I'm talking about the Varis kit on it. Probably extremely expensive, but it looks so nice. The fit and finish is not fantastic, but hopefully it's a daily driven car, which I can let him off. I appreciate it, but even just the wheels as well. Wheels are just some meaty boys. It's an RS3. Yeah. Buy an RS3 with carbon bits. Do this instead. Just coming into the third hall now. Met with this beautiful TT RS3. God, you know it's good if even Matty's taking a picture. What a beautiful car. So a friend of mine that's actually watching this, oh, I want that. That's what I'm gonna get. I'm gonna try and find that. Digital camo is sick. Yeah, a friend of mine that lives over the other side of the pond, he's actually got one of these TTRS. You know what's cool as well? The fact that it's got a black roof. Homage to the Quattro Sport with a black roof. And as well, it's actually nice to be able to see this Swan neck spoiler, and I don't have to travel all the way to America to see his. So, shout out Julian. Some nice carbon bits on it as well. You know what this needs?
Have a look around, hold on.
Come on, have a look. You know what it needs?
No.
Flat wheels. Sorry guys, I'm missing all like the nice Audis as well. You boys are here for the Audi TTs and the Audis, man. Nice RS4. A few carbon bits. Gotta appreciate the carbon. Nice.
I looked at one of these.
You didn't.
I looked at an A4. Not
You looked at an A4 that was
under
absolutely
2 grand.
shagged.
Hey, the wheel arch was disappeared.
Wheatus is a wheel deleters. Wheel arch
deleters. Weight saving.
Just realised as well, Compass Form 7 Performance. Shout out to Oscar if you're watching this. It's a Godzilla. That guy's in a suit as well. That's how you know he's got money. He's sleeping, bro. Matt, he's in the car.
I know.
And he has a suit on, bro. Like.
Well, yeah, I know. His engine's worth more than
Exhaust as well. Wow. A few Nismo bits in there as well. Oh, just a casual. What they've. Guy stinks of fuel. Got a swirl pool or whatever it is, and then 4 different fuel. Oh no, they filters. I think they're fuel filters and they're U2 pumps. Look at the pipes even coming from there. How much fuel does this use? Beautiful colour though. Oh, awesome number plate. R34 GTR base eye blue. I dread to think how much this is worth. For a nice example like this, fully built. I don't think it's got any Nismo bits on though.
100?
More.
Nah.
Yeah.
Nah.
100% more.
These go for like 150. I don't even need to get a flashlight out. That is perfect.
Yeah, Matty was just saying about this guy's paintwork. There's a lot of cars obviously in the other ones that are built. I mean, similar to this. Oh, shout out around there. Look at that. Damn. And then we've got this car as well. So this used to be yellow. I've actually seen this quite a few times, but
That's why everything inside is.
yeah. This is a different level. This is. Are they solid mounts as well? They are. Yeah, they are in there. They're solid engine mounts. I bet this rattles like a mother. Paintwork as well is unreal. Normally when you have like massive like wheel arch extensions like this, normally you can see like all the sort of roughness in the actual sort of like filler and things like that, but to be honest with you, this guy, whoever's done this, has done a really good job, especially with like with the sharp angles and stuff.
Probably. Surely that's not happening. The whole side's done too.
No! Oh my god.
No, that can't have happened. For what? Surely.
I mean, oh, he was a winner at one point, but obviously second place was a bit pissed off. That's crazy. Done all the boots as well. Look at that. That's a deep one as well.
This side too, you know.
Not all the way round.
Yeah.
Boys, look at this. The whole car has been keyed. The whole car has been keyed. Look at the bonnet as well. So this is the last car that I wanted to look at just before we go outside. As Matty says, to see the real builds. Just want to appreciate a good wide-bodied BMW. Fucking nice. Again, big fan of the black wheels as well, with the chrome lips. Definitely, it's a nice car. It's a nice car. Just these things have gone up so much. Oh, it's got the what every BMW does. What's a nice notchy gear lever in it. Have you seen them gear sticks, like really notched, like proper race ones? Oh, it's one of the best builds here. It's insane. My guy's static, and it's got the nice polished lip to that as well, polished by the curb. Just remove the rear seats because fuck the rear seats. Steering wheel cover as well because it needs all the grip.
Morning breakfast review. Orange Capricin. Bit nippy, we're gonna be nice and quick with this. Nice. 9 out of 10. Always slaps.
Wait, what flavour is it?
Orange. Only orange.
And what have you got?
McDonald's. 278 calories. Cheesy bacon flatbread.
Matt is on a health kick now. That's why he only goes to Macca's for breakfast.
I mean, it's alright.
Here he is.
What the fuck?
Peel check. That looks fucking gross.